Do you have clothes sitting in your closet that feel a bit boring? Today, I'm going to share a secret to completely transform your outfits in just 5 minutes. Let's look at what we need. I'm using acrylic yarn because it keeps the shape of the petals nice and neat, but cotton yarn is also an amazing choice. I'm using a 2.5mm crochet hook today, but just make sure to use whatever size is recommended on your yarn label. We're going to begin by making a slip knot. Now we're going to chain 10. Now, to close this base and create the central hoop for our flower, we're simply going to slip stitch into the very first chain. Our flower is going to have 5 petals in total, and for each one, we're going to repeat the exact same 4-step sequence inside the ring. Step 1, chain 3. This gives our petal its initial height. Step 2, work 3 double crochets right into the center of the ring. Step 3, chain 3 again to balance out the petal's shape and bring the height back down. Step 4, secure it with a slip stitch inside the ring. Look how cute that first petal looks. Here is a pro tip. When you move on to the next petal, pay close attention to the base chains and make sure you don't skip one. Sometimes the stitches like to hide right underneath the petal you just finished. If you skip one, you'll end up with 4 petals instead of 5, so keep an eye out. I'm going to repeat this 4 more times around the ring, and I'll meet you right back. here is our finished 5-petal flower. Now, you might be wondering, how do I know if this will fit the buttons on my shirt or denim jacket? Well, that's the magic of this design. Since we started with a magic ring, the center is completely adjustable. If you're using a standard yarn like mine, you can just pull the short tail to tighten or loosen the center loop until it perfectly hugs the base of your button. If you have giant coat buttons, the trick is to simply use a chunkier yarn and a bigger hook, following the exact same pattern.
And that's it! Subscribe for more, and thank you for watching.